Well, we're all told going to college is important, but what if you start and you don't get the degree? John Matarese looks at that so you don't waste your money.
We've heard for years now how a college degree is the key to getting a good job, but a new report now says a little bit of college can be worse than no college at all. The report in the Wall Street Journal says thousands of people are going to college for 1 or 2 years and then dropping out. In many cases, they attend one of the for-profit career colleges that have popped up everywhere, then discover it's not worth it for what it's costing them. But the Wall Street Journal says just a year of private college can set a student back $20,000. Drop out, and at that point, you have a $20,000 loan and nothing to show for it. And 1 year of college does not improve your job prospects in most cases. The Journal report suggests that you get at least a 2-year associate's degree, which will open career doors. All 1 year of college gets most people, it says, is a big bill. So keep that in mind so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, not on your side.